A submarine can vanish from radar. It can vanish from sonar. But for decades, there was one thing it could never do. It could not see far past its own periscope. That just changed. The US Navy has started arming its submarines with something nobody saw coming. Small stealth aircraft, hidden inside launch tubes, ready to take off the second a submarine needs eyes in the sky. No periscope. No surfacing. No warning to the enemy at all. And one of these systems is already capable of guiding a missile straight onto a target the submarine itself never even saw. So how does a sealed submarine sitting under hundreds of feet of water launch a flying aircraft without ever breaking the surface? And why is this happening right now, in this exact moment in naval history? Stay with this, because the answer changes the way submarines fight forever. The US Navy is arming submarines with aerial anti-ship stealth drones, and this is not some far-off concept sitting on a drawing board. Parts of it are already active duty today. It is turning America's submarine fleet, the most feared underwater force on the planet, into something even more dangerous. A force that can see, target, and strike without ever giving away its position. Before we go further, if you think the US Navy deserves more recognition for staying this far ahead of everyone else, type silent service in the comments below. It really does mean something to see how many of you stand behind our forces. For as long as submarines have existed, they have had one weakness. They are blind once they go deep. A periscope only sees a few miles. Sonar can hear a ship, but it cannot always tell what that ship is, or what it is carrying, or where exactly it is heading. A submarine commander could be sitting just a few miles from an enemy fleet and still be making decisions half blind, relying on sound alone to guess what is floating above. For most of the Cold War, the Navy lived with that limitation. There simply was not a safe way to get a better look without giving away the submarine's position. Surfacing means being seen. A periscope held up too long means being seen. And in modern naval warfare, being seen for even a few seconds can be the difference between a submarine that survives and one that does not. So the Navy started chasing a different idea. What if a submarine never had to surface at all, and instead sent something else up to take a look? Decades ago, there was even a proposal to fit a folding winged aircraft inside a Trident missile tube, large enough to carry real weight, guide it out underwater, and float it up before its rockets kicked in. It was a clever idea on paper, but the cost of building and maintaining something that complex eventually killed the project before it ever saw real service. For years, that left the idea sitting on a shelf. Then, in 2013, everything changed. The USS Providence, a Los Angeles-class fast-attack submarine, made history while fully submerged. Using a system called Sea Robin, the crew launched a small drone straight out of the submarine. It shot out inside a sealed canister, rose to the surface on its own, and took flight from there. It sounds almost simple when you describe it that way, but at the time, nobody had proven this could actually work under real ocean conditions, with real pressure, real currents, and real timing. That single test became the foundation for a drone the Navy still uses today, called Blackwing, built by a company called AeroVironment. Blackwing is small enough to fit inside a 3-inch wide launch canister, the very same type of tube submarines already used to fire decoys and countermeasures. That detail matters more than people realize, because it means submarines did not need to be redesigned or rebuilt to carry this technology. It simply slots into a system that was already on board. Once ejected underwater, the canister rises to the surface on its own, and the drone bursts out, unfolding 2 small wings with a wingspan of about 27 inches. It carries a camera with both regular and heat-sensing vision, and it can fly out more than 6 miles from the submarine, all while the submarine itself stays completely hidden below the waves, never giving away even a hint of where it is sitting. By September of 2020, the Navy officially declared this system combat ready. By the spring of 2021, the Navy had placed an order for 120 of these drones, meant to be installed across attack submarines and guided missile submarines throughout the fleet. Think about what that actually means for a moment. A submarine commander can now send a small stealth aircraft miles ahead, look at a target with its own eyes, confirm exactly what it is, count the ships, and then make the call to strike, all without that target ever knowing a submarine was anywhere nearby. That is not a small upgrade. That is a completely new way of fighting underwater. But Blackwing was only the beginning. Because what the Navy and its partners unveiled earlier this year takes this entire idea to a level nobody expected. In February of this year, Lockheed Martin pulled the curtain back on a brand new underwater vehicle called Lamprey, and the design behind it sounds almost unbelievable. Instead of using its own battery power to travel long distances, Lamprey latches onto the hull of a friendly ship or submarine almost like a hitchhiker and rides along quietly across the ocean. While it is attached, small built-in generators use the movement of the water flowing past the hull to recharge its own batteries. By the time it reaches the target area, it detaches with a full charge, ready to go straight to work, and the host vessel never even had to slow down or change course to drop it off. Once it is on its own, Lamprey becomes a small underwater arsenal. It carries a payload bay of about 24 cubic feet, big enough to hold lightweight torpedoes, decoys that can mimic the acoustic signature of other vessels, and sensors built for gathering intelligence. But here is the part that connects directly to everything we are talking about today. Lamprey can carry up to 3 retractable launch tubes, built specifically to fire small aerial drones straight up out of the water. The same basic idea as Blackwing, but now riding on a vehicle that can travel and operate completely on its own. Once those drones are airborne, they can be used for reconnaissance, scanning the surface for enemy ships, or they can be sent in to strike a target directly. Either way, the result is the same. A vehicle that nobody can see, hiding beneath the surface, can suddenly put an aircraft in the sky exactly when and where it is needed, then disappear again before anyone even knows it was there. Now, it is worth being honest here, because this channel only deals in facts. Lamprey is brand new. Right now it exists mostly as renderings and prototype demonstrations, and the Navy has not yet locked it into a full production program. But the fact that a major American defense company is already building toward this, right after Blackwing proved the basic concept works in the real world, tells you exactly where this technology is heading next. And that brings us to the real reason any of this matters at all. This is not just about cool technology for the sake of it. There is a real strategic reason the US Navy is pushing so hard into this space, and it comes straight from the people who actually command these submarines day to day. Rear Admiral Blake Converse, who leads the submarine force for the US Pacific Fleet, described it best in his own words. He called a submarine-launched drone a flying periscope, one that dramatically extends a submarine's own sensor range, feeds back target quality information to the crew, and allows that submarine to fire weapons like the Harpoon missile or the Maritime Strike Tomahawk with real confidence in exactly what it is hitting. That last part is the key to all of this. A missile is only as good as the information guiding it. Without solid targeting data, a submarine has to guess, or get dangerously close just to confirm a target using its own sensors. With a drone in the air instead, that submarine can stay miles back, completely hidden, while still being absolutely certain about what it is firing at, and absolutely certain it is not making a costly mistake. This is the real difference between a submarine that simply hides in the dark and a submarine that hides while quietly controlling the entire battlefield around it. Picture how this actually plays out for a crew on patrol. Sonar picks up something on the surface, miles away, moving slowly. In the old days, that would mean a long, careful approach, just to get close enough to confirm what it actually is, all while risking exposure the entire time. Now, the submarine can stay exactly where it is, launch a small drone, and get a clear picture within minutes. No guessing, no risky approach, just a clean answer and a clean decision, while the submarine never moves an inch closer than it needs to. And this kind of capability is becoming more important by the year, especially with how fast naval competition is moving around the world right now. China's Navy has been openly exploring its own version of this idea, looking into specialized ships built specifically to launch drones at sea. It is a clear sign that other countries see exactly how valuable this kind of technology is becoming. And it tells us this race is only going to speed up from here. But here is the encouraging part for anyone proud of the US Navy. America is not playing catch-up in this race. The US Navy already has a drone like Blackwing fielded, tested, and active across its submarine fleet, years ahead of most of the world even attempting something similar. And with systems like Lamprey already moving through development, that gap is not closing, it is widening in our favor. This is exactly the kind of quiet innovation that has kept the U.S. submarine force the most respected underwater fleet on the planet for decades. It does not always make headlines, and it does not move fast just for the sake of attention. But piece by piece, test by test, it builds an advantage that other navies simply cannot match, no matter how hard they try to close the distance. So when you put it all together, here is what is really happening beneath the surface of the ocean right now. American submarines are no longer limited to what they can hear through sonar or barely glimpse through a periscope. They can launch their own aircraft, gather real-time information on enemy ships from miles away, and strike with precision, all while staying completely invisible the entire time. It started with a single test off the coast a little over a decade ago, a moment most people never even heard about. It grew into a fielded drone carried by dozens of submarines today, quietly doing its job every single deployment. And now it is evolving into hitchhiking underwater vehicles that can recharge themselves on the move and launch their own small air force from beneath the waves whenever the mission calls for it. This is not some far-off future we are talking about. This is happening right now, quietly, beneath water most of us will never see. Carried out by sailors who rarely get the credit they deserve for the work they do. And here is why all of this is worth caring about, even if you never set foot on a ship. Open water and free trade routes keep this country running, and keeping those waters safe without ever firing a shot first is exactly what real strength looks like. A submarine that can see everything while staying completely invisible is not just a weapon, it is one of the strongest forms of peace through strength this country has ever fielded. Other nations think twice before testing waters they cannot even see into. That, more than anything else, is exactly why the Silent Service remains one of the most powerful and most underappreciated forces America has ever built. If you enjoyed learning just how far this technology has come, give this video a like and subscribe for more stories like this one. We will see you in the next video.